Shooting smooth, well-framed phone video can be tricky. Shaky footage and constant adjustments easily break the flow. A phone gimbal makes recording effortless. So today, we're excited to dive into the AOCHUAN Smart X3 AI, a 3-axis smartphone gimbal designed to make solo filming, vlogging, and everyday video creation smoother and easier than ever. Whether you're capturing travel adventures, tutorials, or casual moments, this gimbal brings hands-free tracking, steady footage, and smart usability together in a compact, foldable design. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Smart X3 AI a solid choice in the crowded world of smartphone gimbals. Let's begin with how the gimbal is designed and built. At first glance, the Smart X3 AI presents a clean and functional design. It's built with everyday creators in mind, compact, foldable, and comfortable to handle even during longer shooting sessions. When folded, the gimbal measures 6.9 inches, making it convenient to store in a small bag or backpack. Unfolded, its dimensions are 1.7 inches deep, 6.9 inches wide, and 4.4 inches high, giving it a balanced footprint that doesn't feel oversized in the hand. Weighing 14.5 ounces, the gimbal sits in a comfortable middle ground. It's light enough to carry and use for extended periods, while still feeling stable and well supported during movement. Buttons and controls are laid out logically, keeping operations simple and approachable. Overall, the design focuses on usability and portability rather than visual flash, which works well for a tool intended for frequent, on-the-go use. With the physical design covered, it's time to look at how the gimbal performs once it's in motion. At its core, the Smart X3 AI is built around 3-axis stabilization designed to smooth out movement across pan, tilt, and roll. This allows footage to remain steady while walking, running, or shooting fast-moving scenes. The stabilization feels controlled and natural, helping footage look smooth without appearing overly mechanical. This balance is especially useful for vlogs, travel clips, and everyday recording where organic motion still matters. The gimbal handles moderate movement well, maintaining clarity even during faster transitions. While it's not intended to replace professional camera rigs, it provides dependable stabilization for phone-based content creation. Once stabilization is handled, the most defining feature of this gimbal comes into focus. AI tracking is where the Smart X3 AI places its strongest emphasis. The gimbal includes a detachable magnetic AI tracking module that performs face tracking directly without relying on a mobile app. This removes the need for app compatibility, background processing, or additional setup, keeping the experience simple and reliable. With 360-degree unlimited tracking, the gimbal can smoothly rotate to follow movement across the frame. Whether turning side to side, stepping back, or moving through a room, tracking remains steady and intentional, rather than reactive or jittery. Gesture control adds a hands-free layer to the experience. A simple hand gesture activates tracking, making it especially useful for scenarios like fitness routines, cooking, or other situations where touching the phone isn't practical. Compared to basic app-based tracking systems, this approach feels more consistent and less distracting over longer recordings. The tracking behavior stays focused on the subject without constantly searching or drifting. For solo creators, this level of AI tracking reduces interruptions and allows recording to continue naturally, which is a meaningful advantage in everyday use. From tracking, the focus shifts to lighting and visibility. The magnetic AI module also integrates a built-in fill light, keeping the overall setup compact and uncluttered. The fill light is steplessly adjustable from 0 to 100%, allowing brightness to be fine-tuned rather than locked into preset levels. This helps adapt to different environments, whether recording indoors, in low-light rooms, or during evening sessions. Adjustable lighting makes a noticeable difference for talking head videos, live streams, and tutorials, where balanced illumination improves clarity without overpowering the subject. Because the light is integrated into the tracking module, there's no need for extra attachments or cables. Like the tracking system, lighting control works without an app, maintaining a simple and predictable workflow. With visibility addressed, attention moves to creative movement and framing options. The Smart X3 AI includes 6 built-in shooting modes, designed to support different filming styles and movement preferences. The available modes, PF, FL, POV, and S, allow control over how the gimbal responds to motion. Some modes prioritize smooth, locked framing, while others allow more dynamic movement for faster or more expressive shots. Switching between modes is straightforward, making it easy to adapt during filming without complex adjustments. This flexibility supports a range of content styles, from cinematic motion to steady, straightforward recording. Rather than overwhelming users with advanced settings, these modes offer options that cover most everyday shooting scenarios. With movement and framing covered, the focus shifts to hands-free shooting tools. The Smart X3 AI features an integrated one-touch tripod release, allowing the tripod legs to pop open instantly with a single press. This makes setup quick and convenient for table shots, live streams, or stationary filming. The included magnetic Bluetooth remote adds distance control, working from up to 32 feet away. It allows photos to be taken, videos to be started, and modes to be switched without touching the phone. Magnetic storage keeps the remote attached to the gimbal when not in use, reducing the chance of misplacing it. A built-in 20-inch extension rod expands framing possibilities. This is useful for wider angles, overhead shots, or group photos, where additional reach helps capture more of the scene while maintaining stability. Together, these features support flexible shooting setups without adding unnecessary complexity. To finish, let's look at battery life and overall portability. The Smart X3 AI is powered by dual 800 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing enough runtime for extended recording sessions. This supports longer shoots without frequent interruptions for charging. Portability ties the entire package together. The folding design, compact size, and balanced weight make the gimbal easy to carry and quick to deploy. It fits naturally into a travel or daily content workflow without feeling like extra gear that slows things down. Looking at gimbals like the DJI series or AOCHUAN Smooth models, the Smart X3 AI feels simpler and more intuitive to use. Setting it up is quick, and shooting flows naturally without interruptions. Everything needed for hands-free and flexible recording is built in, so there's no need for extra attachments or adjustments. Overall, it combines ease of use, smooth performance, and versatility in one package, making it a considerable choice for creators who want reliable, hassle-free footage. So, is the Smart X3 AI worth it? Absolutely. Compared to other gimbals like the DJI series or AOCHUAN Smooth models, it offers more features that make it a reliable companion for anyone seeking smooth, hassle-free videography. With its hands-free operation, intuitive controls, and built-in conveniences, shooting becomes easier and more efficient. More, if you consider everything it offers alongside its price. So, if you are someone who wants to capture travel moments, tutorials, or everyday content, it can be the perfect pick for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more content like this.